Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Zapier at 2026. So actually guys, first you all need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Zapier account as well. If not, you can sign up from Zapier.com just by going with that orange color button, start free with email or start free with Google. So I will set an example with Google. So you will need just to continue with your Google account, and there you go. So the account has been created. Okay, so right now you will need to get back to Shopify. So you will need to click on the settings that's located on the bottom of the left-hand menu, and after that just go with apps option. Okay, so go with Shopify app store, that's option, and by using the search bar, type right there Zapier. Okay, so that's the app. Just go ahead and hit install. Alright, so right now you all need to confirm the installation just by clicking on install again. Okay, and you will need to connect to your account if you're not. As you can see, I'm already connected to my Zapier. So yeah, I already connected the Zapier to my Shopify. So actually guys, it's so easy. As you can see, you can connect Zapier to your Shopify with another way. You can connect it just from the website of Zapier itself, but the easiest way is that one I showed you. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.